Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about pink salt trick recipe for weight loss. Is this really work for you or it's a scam? So in this video we will talk about this kind of recipe will really work or not. Okay, so as you know, you have seen lots of advertisement on your social media accounts like Facebook and Instagram, like one lady, or you can say there is an advertisement related to this kind of recipe, and they will guarantee you like you will get weight loss very easily by using like pink salt recipe. So my dear friends, I want to inform you only one thing. These all are tactics for using, like you can say, when you will click on their links, they will be redirected to a new window. On the new window, they will place some kind of advertisement and all, and they will getting, or you can say they will earning so much money, because as you know, weight loss is a very common problem in today's time. Everyone want to lose their weight, and they are using these kind of tactics. Why? When you click on their links, they will redirect you to a new window, and on new window maybe they will ask some kind of, you can say, payments, and maybe they will give you some kind of recipe, and on the same page they will place advertisement and all, and they will get highly commissions and highly payments. Okay, so these are the basic you can say working model of these kind of, you can say, advertisement. But if we talk about like recipes about weight loss, so yes, these kind of recipes will work, but not for every case. These kind of recipes will work for not for everyone. You have to maintain your diet also, and you have to do lots of hard workout and all, then you will get some kind of benefits. Okay, otherwise you are not going to get any kind of result by using salt recipes and all. You have to make lots of efforts. Okay, so this is the information. Now it's looking like if you are going to pay any kind of amount, you should not pay any kind of amount for these kind of recipes. If you are not going to pay any kind of amount, you just want to try the, you can say, recipes, so be very careful, because this is a health related product. So without any, you can say, like proper information, you should not trust on these kind of videos or advertisements, because all videos are AR generated, and there is no guarantee you will get some kind of benefits or not. But if we talk about like the problems, maybe you will face some kind of issue related to your health, because where in Ayurveda some product will like when you mix the some two product, it will give you some kind of poisonous effect, or you can say food poisoning effects. So you need to be very careful before using these kind of, you can say, recipes. Okay, so if you have any experience, you can share your experience in our comment section. Your comment will helpful for lots of people. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.